You might be at that point in your life where you're just done. You're just done with playing the script. You're done with the routine, the daily routine of just living life day after day after day. I'm just feeling this pit in your stomach of there's more to life. There's so much more I could be doing with my life. This isn't it. This surely can't be it for me. And what you do is you begin to quieten the noise. You tend to pull away from the crowd. You stop showing up at the parties and the events and the occasions that you've done for so long. And you start to ask yourself a few questions. And it's an amazing place you find yourself in right now, because what's coming through is the real you. It's choosing to listen. It's choosing to say, no, enough's enough. I will not continue to live my life on this repetitive, endless cycle of going nowhere. I refuse to do it. And when we pull ourselves away and we quiet the noise, we stop responding, we stop reacting, we stop giving our power to feel like we owe people, places, things, something that we really don't want to give. And in that time we then seem to see that we can start to begin to see that there's other ways around this. What the life that I'm signing up for is not the life I'm supposed to be living. And we start to understand this when we pull ourselves away and we finally quieten the noise down. The distractions, ultimately that's all they are, it's just distractions keeping us stuck. And I'm not saying that friends, family, parties are all bad. That's not what I'm saying. And what I'm saying is that ultimately it is distracting us from becoming the best version of ourselves, or was living the life that we've always dreamed of, because we've always felt like we've got to conform. And enough's enough. I'm not playing that game anymore. Played it for long enough. We weren't put on this earth to continue playing small and wondering why we keep repeating these cycles over and over again. We learn to focus on self. We learn to realise that it is just noise, and it's literally just keeping us further away from where we're supposed to be each and every time. Each and every time that you show up at these places, these environments, the feeling in your chest will get tighter and tighter until you realise that, no, I'm going all in. I'm going to go all in on myself. There's so many people online saying, hit the gym, do this, do that. You need to do this, you need to do that. But everyone's different. Everyone has a different calling of what they're supposed to be doing and when they're supposed to be doing it. Ultimately, when you find the time for yourself and you start playing the game that everyone else is playing, your calling will come through. And you will know what you need to do. You will know whether you want to go to the gym 5 times a week. You will know if you need to go to a yoga class or whatever it might be. You will know what you need to do to put yourself in a position that you can start living your best life. And although this point can be scary at times, because people have been so used to living the way that they've been living for so long, and they really don't know anything other. So all that's being asked of you, and if you are watching this video, there's a reason why it's found you. There's a reason why you're watching me today. So let this just be a gentle reminder that you are meant for more, and that you're not here to play small, and you are here to build. So quiet the noise, limit the distractions. Distractions are always going to be there. That's just the world we live in. I'm not saying be rude to people, or be cold to people, or show an arrogance in yourself. You just have to be polite and say, no, sorry, it's not for me at the minute. No one's due an explanation. No one needs to know why, and no one needs to know what plans and dreams you're building for yourself. In due time they'll be revealed. So I hope this video finally found you well today, and maybe just give you a little bit of encouragement, or a bit of guidance to say, you know what, I'm in control of my own life, no one else, and it's only ultimately down to me and the decisions I make each and every day, whether I'm going to grow as a person or I'm going to stay stuck in environments that are slowly killing me. If this video did resonate with you today, I would appreciate a thumbs up, and a subscribe would be even better. And if you have watched the video to the end, I appreciate you. And if you're looking to explore, you're looking to create, but you're not sure where to get started, maybe your mind's a little bit scattered at the minute, you need a bit of help, then check out my descriptions below, or reach out to me, and let's see if we can get the ball moving. Because what I am here to tell you is that this day and age, we're in no better opportunity to start taking life into our own hands. And it doesn't matter what background we're from, how old we are, or what mistakes we've ever made in our life. Anything, nothing, it doesn't make no difference. The tools that we have now can help you in ways that 5, 6, 7 years of pure relentless work wouldn't have. Trust in that knowing that there is places, means, tools that you can use today, and then in a very short period of time you can start changing the reality of your life. You can start building whatever dream, whatever passion, whatever project, it doesn't matter. Whatever your dream is, whatever your goal is, now's the time to start. You can build quicker today than any other day, any other year that's ever been around. You're in the perfect opportunity. Start using, start building, start creating. And again, it's only you that can make that decision for yourself. But the sooner you make it, the sooner you can release the shackles and the chains that have held you down for so long. So yeah, I hope this video found you well today. God bless.